Hello and welcome to Zen for Pets. I'm Serena, and I'm so glad you and your furry friend are joining us today. This podcast is all about creating moments of calm and relaxation for both pets and their humans. In today's episode, we'll take you on a peaceful journey through a serene forest. So settle in, find a cozy spot with your pet, and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Imagine you're stepping into a lush, green forest. The air is cool and fresh, and a soft breeze carries the scent of pine and wildflowers. Overhead, sunlight filters gently through the leaves, creating patterns of light and shadow on the forest floor. As you walk slowly, listen to the sounds around you. Birds are chirping sweetly in the distance, their melodies blending harmoniously with the gentle rustle of leaves. You hear the soft babble of a nearby stream, its water sparkling as it flows over smooth rocks. Now, picture your pet by your side. They're calm, their steps light and steady on the soft earth. Their ears perk up as they notice the sounds of the forest. Perhaps they pause to sniff a cluster of wildflowers or tilt their head toward the sound of the stream. You feel a sense of connection and tranquility as you share this moment together. Take another deep breath in and out. With every step, you and your pet feel more at peace. The world outside fades away, and the forest wraps you in its calming embrace. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your toes, take a deep breath, and open your eyes when you're ready. Your pet might already be completely relaxed and ready for a peaceful nap. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the forest. We hope it brought you and your pet a moment of peace and calm. Don't forget to subscribe to Zen for Pets so you don't miss our next episode, where we'll explore the soothing rhythm of ocean waves. Until next time, take care and stay relaxed with your furry friend. Goodbye for now.